Your brain forgets 70% of what you learn in 24 hours. This is forgetting curve.
Welcome to India Assignment Help, where students turn their ambitions into results. For more than 15 years, we have helped students with academic guidance, mentorship, and personalized training, which has turned students into scholars. Here you will find insights from the finest professionals from each field who bring their experiences and translate into lessons that all students can learn something from. Every episode, one expert, one lesson, and one step closer to the student you want to become. Let's dive in.
Forgetting curve is a psychological model that states people tend to rapidly forget the newly learned information over time if they don't review it. So rereading the night before too late, your brain has actually deleted it. I bet you will forget that concept in next 3 days because you didn't revise it properly. You can relate to this concept with your analogy with gym. You don't do 500 push-ups in one day. You do 20 push-ups, you rest, you repeat, and your muscle grows. Same is with your mind. Your mind and memory is just the same. Small doses of information plus gaps actually leads to strong memory. Now let's learn how can you adapt to this technique and framework in your learning process. So one of the techniques is low technical, in which you can write down the dates for each chapter in a form of a timetable in your notebook. So for example, you need to revise chapter 3 on Friday, then on Saturday, then on the next Friday. So you can write like this in your notebook. Make yourself remember that on which day you need to revise which chapter. This is low technical version of using this framework. The second is a technical version in which you can use apps like Remnote and Anki, in which calendars are installed and you will be notified automatically that you need to revise this chapter today. This method will actually help you in avoiding cramming and rereading your notes over and over again. And this will actually help you in understanding and also remembering your concept for months so that you can use it and apply it in any part of your life or whole life. So the only purpose of me making this video is to make your learning easier, help you in staying productive. I hope this video helps. Thank you for listening.